This is Rwanda Food and Drugs Authority. It was established in 2018 with the mandate to promote public health. This is done through regulation of human and veterinary medicines, vaccines and other biological products, processed foods, poisons, medicated cosmetics, medical devices, household chemical substances, tobacco and tobacco products. The authority, located in Rwanda's capital, Kigali, has staff from a wide range of careers and academic backgrounds whose day-to-day activities cover all the functions of Rwanda FDA in product registration, premise licensing, import and export control, clinical trial regulation, adverse drug reactions monitoring, post-market surveillance, product testing, and administrative support. Rwanda FDA consists of two technical departments, a stand-alone division, and the administration department. The Drugs and Foods Assessment and Registration Department is one of the two technical departments, and it has four divisions, that is, Human Medicine and Devices, Cosmetics and Household Chemicals, Veterinary Medicine and Devices, Food Assessment and Registration. This department's role is to assess dossiers submitted to the authority and recommend for issuance of marketing authorization for products that comply with Rwanda FDA requirements. The issuance of marketing authorizations or product registration is critical and is the basis of any national regulatory authority operations. When application dossiers are submitted to the authority, they are channeled to the department for assessment. On reception of dossiers, they are recorded, stored in the designated storage areas that are lockable and access controlled with fitted cameras for security purposes. Dossiers are channeled to respective divisions for screening and assessments by assessors by making sure that applications are scientifically and timely evaluated before they are granted marketing authorization. After assessment, dossiers are properly returned to the designated storage space, and all the assessment process is guided by documented procedures. The Department of Food and Drugs Inspection and Safety Monitoring is the other technical department of Rwanda FDA. This department ensures that all food and medicines manufactured locally and imported into the country are of good quality and are properly handled. It does this by regular inspection and licensing of all foods and drugs handling facilities, conducting of regular supervision and post-marketing surveillance to identify substandard and counterfeit regulated products. They also vet, approve and monitor food and drug promotional materials. This department is also responsible for pharmacovigilance programs, adverse drug reactions reporting, and it also hosts the National Pharmacovigilance Center. Rwanda FDA's Quality Control Laboratory is the standalone division mandated to analyze different categories of samples such as medicines, medical devices, food products, and public health products. Samples are obtained from pre-market, post-shipment, and post-market surveillance. QCL operates under 4 units, that is, medicines and cosmetics testing, medical devices and instrumentation, food testing, pesticides and poisonous substances and chemicals. The medicines and cosmetics unit is in charge of testing medicines, cosmetics, and also ensuring timely analysis and preparation of scientific analytical reports. The unit has screening, sample preparation, dissolution and disintegration, elemental and trace metal testing, and chromatography laboratories. Medicine samples on submission are received at the sample reception, then documented procedures for handling of testing items are followed to test the sample. Sample testing always starts with the initial screening, following the documented procedures on prioritization of testing activities using risk-based approach before compendium testing. The samples testing data are recorded in worksheets that's verified by a laboratory director who authorizes the final printing of certificate of analysis. Before a certificate of analysis is released to customers, it is recorded in the sample register book. Laboratory processes are conducted through the Laboratory Information Management Systems, which is also known as LIMS. Finally, Rwanda FDA maintains a quality policy that provides for provision of the highest standard of quality regulatory services, meeting customer requirements, continuous improvement of the quality management system to achieve set quality objectives, and maintain an adequate workforce.